Okay, let's see if we can empty up the water. Empty the water. See, what I got here is a place to connect my hose, and got another connection for the 1-inch outlet too. So we're gonna open it up. We're gonna switch it on. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Switch it on. There we go. And water's coming out right here. Okay, we're gonna close it up. Close it. I'm gonna close it. And it shuts off right there. And we're gonna open up this one. Open up this one. There you go. There goes the water. That is the water, my friend. Look at all that water. Look at all that big water. Good pressure. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. And it's empty. Getting empty. It's getting empty. Empty. And it's running crazy, man. All right, look at that. Okay, turn it off. Whew. That was a good one.